Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Rob with Western Material Handling. Today we are test driving stock number 2477. Awesome low hour, 1999, Yale. This is a GLP050. It's a 5,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with a full cab. Has a heater, has a personnel fan. Very nice in those cold, snowy days that we get here in Colorado. Equipped with the 187-inch triple stage mast. Does approximately 15.5 feet. Has a low backrest, side shift carriage, 42-inch pallet forks. There's that tall triple in the sky. It's got a smooth running LP gas engine, automatic transmission, has excellent solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. Is that side shift. Has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by any of our stores in Fort Collins, Commerce City, or Torrington, Wyoming. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.